Good day everyone. I am Sumit Singh from CP15 section M1B and RNTC 1524026. Today we are discussing about water as a fuel. Riding the wave, harnessing the water as the future fuel. The science behind the water fuel. Water can split into two parts, hydrogen and oxygen, by the process of electrolysis. This hydrogen now we use as a clean fuel alternative, producing only water as a byproduct. Understanding this process as a key unlocking water on its full potential. Introduction to water fuel. In this presentation, we will observe the water as a potential and sustainable fuel source. With the world facing the energy crisis, harnessing the power of water will lead us to a cleaner and greener future. Let's dive into innovative solutions. Benefits of water as fuel. Using water as fuel source has enormous advantages. Number 1, it is abundant. Number 2, it is renewable. Number 3, it is non-polluting. Number 4, it will reduce our dependency on fossil fuels, low carbon emission, and leading to a healthy planet. Current innovations. Innovators around the globe are developing technologies to harness water efficiently, from hydrogen fuel cells to wave energy converter. The advancements are paving the way for the The advancement are paving the way for the revolution in energy production and consumption. Challenges ahead. Making the engine that would be able to hold the amount of heat generated in the process of combustion. Number 2, storage of fuel. Number 3, cost of technologies. Number 4, public awareness. Thank you and have a good day.